I just wanted to demonstrate a new feature for the NTP clock, which Mark Culross, one of my amateur radio colleagues in the United States, has sent to me. Mark KD5RXT has built the clock and modified the ability to using the LED sensor, which is located here on the top of the screen, together with one of the buttons, which is one of the options that I built into the main board for the NTP clock to enable people to do further development. But anyway, Mark's gone ahead and changed the settings for the brightness of the screen. I think it's a great little feature to use. He took advantage of the LDR and the switch. Now there's one small change that you can see here sitting on the front screen. There is a B1, which means brightness level 1. Now if you press this button here, switch 2, you'll see that it will rotate through brightness level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, increasing the brightness as we go. And if we press it one more time, it'll rotate through and it will go onto the auto setting. So in that case, the brightness level will be adjusted by the amount of light that's hitting the light dependent resistor on the top. So if I put my finger over the top, hopefully see there that the brightness level has gone down a little bit. Pull it off, you can see that it increases accordingly. So a great little feature. The one thing, when you upload the firmware to do that, you'll also need to change the jumper setting, which is in this section of the board over here, so that it actually switches the LED control from on to dim, which effectively enables it to use the LDR and the associated resistor to actually enable the code to modify the brightness level of the screen. The other thing that Mark did overnight was that he updated the certificate for the Solar Indices. That certificate at the moment is good through till October of 2025, and we will be working to try and get a more permanent certificate credentials there, which we'll put into the firmware and distribute when it becomes available. So look, really pleased to see the work that Mark's done, and also taking advantage of the switches and the development opportunities that we have. And no doubt, as people continue to develop and take advantage of the capabilities and their programming skills, we'll certainly circulate those as well. So to Mark KD5RXT, a big thank you from the guys down at the Manly Warringah Radio Society, and I look forward to everybody updating their firmware accordingly. Cheers.